James Franck was a German-American physicist whose experiments helped prove that atoms absorb energy only in discrete amounts, a foundation of quantum physics. Born in Hamburg in 1882, Franck earned his doctorate in physics in 1906 and began teaching and researching at Berlin. After serving in the German army during World War I, he returned to academia and rapidly became a leader in atomic physics. In the early 1910s, working with colleague Gustav Hertz, Franck performed a landmark experiment. They fired electrons into mercury atoms and observed that only at certain energies did electrons transfer energy to atoms, showing that atoms accept energy in fixed quanta. This experiment, called the Franck-Hertz Experiment, provided one of the first direct confirmations of quantized atomic energy levels, vindicating emerging atomic theory. Franck went on to lead a major experimental physics institute in Göttingen, mentoring a generation of influential physicists. He expanded his research into atomic collisions, molecular spectra, fluorescence, and chemical processes, including what later became known as the Franck-Condon principle, which helps explain molecular transitions and remains central in spectroscopy. When political oppression rose in Germany in 1933, Franck resigned in protest and emigrated to the United States. He taught at prestigious universities and later contributed to wartime science. During World War II, he worked in a nuclear research facility, but also became a strong voice for ethical responsibility in science. In 1945, he co-authored a significant appeal urging that nuclear weapons be demonstrated in unpopulated areas rather than used directly on cities. James Franck passed away in 1964, but his legacy lives on in quantum physics, molecular science, and the moral example of a scientist who saw responsibility as part of discovery. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel Atomic Gear for more scientific content.